male gametophyte. First of all, we should know what is the meaning of development of male gametophyte. When there is development of male gametes, that step or that process is called as development of male gametophyte. What happens here in development? Pollen grain. This is the pollen grain. Pollen grain undergoes maturation, means this cytoplasm divides into two parts. This smaller cell is called, or this smaller part is called as generative cell, and the larger part is called as vegetative cell. This generative cell do not have its own membrane or its own cell wall. It lies freely in the vegetative cell, cytoplasm of vegetative cell. But the nucleus of generative cell is quite large and it has very small vacuole. While in vegetative cell, the space or the vegetative cell is big or it is larger in size, but the nucleus is comparatively smaller in size and it contains many vacuoles. Now, the name is given generative cell because in future this cell is going to generate two male gametes. That's why the name is given generative cell. And vegetative cell means it is not going to generate anything. So what happens here? The pollen grain undergoes maturation or undergoes division and it results into the formation of two types of cell. The smaller cell is called as generative cell. The larger cell is called as vegetative cell. Then this pollen grain, when it attains two-celled stage means there is formation of two types of cells, generative cell and vegetative cell. When it attains two-celled stage means the pollen grain is matured. This pollen grain get released from the anther. It comes and it settles on the surface of stigma. As soon as it comes and settles on the surface of matured stigma, this pollen grain will start sucking the sugary water. Because the stigma is mature means it naturally secretes sugary water. As soon as the pollen grain settle on the surface of stigma, it starts sucking the sugary water through the germ pore and the pressure get created inside the pollen grain. This intine is flexible, so pressure get created and the intine comes out through the germ pore in the form of tube. That tube which is developed because of the pressure, this tube is called as pollen tube because it is the tube of pollen grain. This tube is also called as germ tube because it comes out through the germ pore. So there is development of pollen tube. As soon as there is a development of pollen tube, first this vegetative cell sends its nucleus or the nucleus of the vegetative cell enters the tube first. It is followed by cytoplasm and later on the generative cell enters inside the tube. In this way the entry is taking place. First, as soon as there is a formation of tube because of the pressure, first the space is occupied by the tube nucleus. After tube nucleus there is cytoplasm comes down, and after the cytoplasm this generative cell, along with the cytoplasm, generative cell comes into the tube. When this generative cell is on the way, this generative cell divides and results into the formation of two non-motile male gametes. Hence, as soon as there is a formation of two non-motile male gametes, this structure is said to be development of male gametophyte. What happens here? The pollen grain, when it becomes mature means when it attains two-celled stage, means when the internal material or protoplasm divides into two parts, generative cell and vegetative cell. This pollen grain becomes mature. Pollen grain comes and settle on the surface of mature stigma. It suck the sugary water through the germ pore. Pressure get created inside and there is development of germ tube or pollen tube. as soon as there is a development of pollen tube, first there is entry of tube nucleus, which is followed by cytoplasm, and along with the cytoplasm generative cell takes entry. On the way only, inside the tube only, generative cell divides into or give rise to two non-motile male gametes. Hence, whenever there is a formation of tube containing tube nucleus and two non-motile male gametes, we can say the development of male gametophyte takes place.